Good morning. So we're gonna be making some bread drenched with some egg whites in a pan. Yeah, check this out. Boom, boom. We got everything ready. The fan, we gotta turn on this bad boy on. All right, give me 1 second. Anyways, okay, it smells like gas. Okay. There we go. First thing you need is 4 slices of bread, 4 eggs, egg whites, whatever you want to use. Just calculate the macros correctly. First thing you want to do is turn the stove on. Get some non-sticky olive oil, cooking oil, whatever the fuck this called. So we get this, spray it all over this. We get this, and do this. Soak it all up. Make sure you got enough eggs in there. You know what I mean? This one's next. Same thing, dump it. Boom. Just like that. And you let them cook for what, like 60 seconds each side, a minute, whatever. Just don't burn it, or else that's on you. But yeah, I'm actually supposed to be getting for work, but we savage, you know what I mean? No, I'm just kidding. My coworkers probably like, what the fuck is this? Anyways, so I am deadlifting today. I'm hoping to go heavy. I'm not sure. I do want to go heavy. Homeboy Ruben never made it. Safety first. Belts are mandatory. Yeah. See you guys at the gym.
What is good? So I'm gonna be doing a little talk over. So here, as you can see, I am lifting a bar, and that bar contains 135 pounds. If I'm not mistaken, I hope I'm not, but it should be 135. This is my warm up. Going for 10 reps. Look at that form. Solid.